we stood, steady as the stars in the woods, so happy-hearted in the warmth rang true inside these bones. As the old pine fell we sang, just to bless the morning.